Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've been struggling with post-acne marks or uneven skin tone, you know how frustrating it can be to find a product that truly delivers on its promises. Enter CeraVe's Resurfacing Retinol Serum, a product designed to smooth your skin, brighten it, and help reduce those pesky post-acne marks. Let's dive into what this serum really has to offer and whether it's worth incorporating into your skincare routine. CeraVe's Resurfacing Retinol Serum targets post-acne marks and blemishes, making it a popular choice for those dealing with acne scars. With key ingredients like encapsulated retinol, licorice root extract, and niacinamide, this serum promises to refine your skin's texture, minimize pores, and even brighten your complexion. If you're someone who struggled with stubborn acne scars or uneven skin tone, this could be the solution you've been looking for. Let's break down how well it actually performs. First off, when you incorporate a retinol serum into your routine, you want to be sure it's not too harsh on your skin. Thankfully, CeraVe's version is formulated with encapsulated retinol, which is designed to release more slowly over time. This helps reduce the irritation often associated with retinol products, making it suitable even for sensitive skin. The serum feels lightweight on the skin and absorbs quickly, which is a huge plus for anyone who's used to layering products in their routine. I've been using it for a few weeks, both in the morning and at night, and I'm happy to report that it doesn't feel greasy or sticky, which I know can be a concern with some serums. In terms of texture, it's smooth, not too thick, and doesn't leave a residue. I've noticed a subtle brightening effect on my skin, especially around my cheeks, where I tend to have the most post-acne marks. It hasn't caused any breakouts, which is a big win, especially considering how prone my skin is to clogs. But here's the thing, the results are gradual. If you're looking for something that will dramatically reduce acne scars overnight, this isn't it. Retinol works best over time, and while I've seen some improvement in my skin texture and clarity, the change is subtle. I think this would be especially effective for someone who's consistent with their skincare routine and patient enough to wait for those slow but steady improvements. Let's talk about the key ingredients. Niacinamide is a great addition for calming the skin and reducing redness, while licorice root extract is known for brightening and helping even out skin tone. The formula is fragrance-free and non-comedogenic, so you can feel safe using it if you have sensitive or acne-prone skin. The addition of 3 essential ceramides, 1, 3, 6, 2, helps support your skin barrier, which is essential for maintaining hydration and protecting your skin from environmental stressors. As for the pros, the serum is lightweight, non-irritating, and provides long-term benefits when used consistently. It also plays well with other products in my routine, which is important for anyone who loves layering their skincare. I also appreciate that it's fragrance-free, so it's less likely to cause any sensitivity or irritation. On the downside, as I mentioned earlier, the results take time. If you're expecting instant results, this may not be the product for you. But that's true with most retinol products. It's all about consistency. When it comes to value for money, CeraVe's Resurfacing Retinol Serum is reasonably priced for the ingredients and the results you can expect. Compared to other retinol serums on the market, it's fairly affordable, especially for a product developed with dermatologists. And since a little goes a long way, this bottle should last a decent amount of time. If you're looking for something comparable, but a little more affordable, there are other options out there, like the Ordinary's Retinol or Differin's Adapalene Gel. Both are excellent choices for those on a budget, though CeraVe's formulation is a bit more gentle, making it a good pick for those with sensitive skin. Overall, I think CeraVe's Resurfacing Retinol Serum is a solid option for anyone looking to address post-acne marks and improve their skin texture over time. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin, but effective when used consistently. If you have acne scars or uneven tone, this could help. But just remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching today. If you've used this product or have any questions, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to check out the link to purchase the serum in the description box. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.